Dollar sinking today on rising inflation fears related to a massive potential stimulus package. Let's bring in Scott Nations for more on that move, where he thinks it's going to go next. So what do you think with people now getting more concerned about inflation?
Inflation's a huge problem. You know, inflation rate is now higher than the 10-year yield here, so that means negative real rates. That's horrible for the dollar. As well, the ECB is going to get more hawkish, it looks like. That's great for the euro, but that's also bad for the dollar. And then, Scott, when you look at the dollar index chart, ever since the March high, we've seen lower lows and lower highs. And all the way around, it's just bad news for the dollar. And so the way to play this is to short the dollar index futures. I want to short that June contract price. Would want to sell at 90.20. My target to the downside would be 89.30. But, Scott, there's so much working against the dollar. Once this gets going in my direction, I'm going to be pretty greedy. My stop, and we're always going to trade these with a stop, $90.50. So at those levels, we're risking $300 to make $900. But the dollar's really going to face some tough sledding.
Don't get too greedy, okay? Don't get too greedy. Scott, we'll talk to you soon. Scott Nations.